Hi, welcome to this video. Today we're gonna talk about the Claude AI hidden features nobody talks about. Based on recent developments and leaked information regarding Claude AI, particularly its specialized Claude Code AI or CLI tool, there are several powerful, lesser known features designed to turn the AI into an autonomous agent rather than just a chatbot. Here are the hidden or underutilized features of Claude AI, many of which were revealed through recent analysis of leaked source code. So let's talk let's talk about the hidden features. You have the teleport, right? Port or remote control command. These commands allow you to move an active context-heavy coding session from your terminal to your mobile phone or another computer to continue working or to monitor long-running tasks remotely. So just put that on your tasks, right? Or on your coding basically, and you're gonna be able to basically move your session from your terminal to your phone, right? Secondly, the loop, right? Loop and schedule. It's important to put the slash. You can automate repetitive tasks by asking Claude to run a command repeatedly or on a set schedule for up to a week, e.g. check-in PRs or running tests every morning. You can also use hooks for automation. This is a hidden feature. You can configure hooks that trigger actions at a specific lifecycle point, such as running a linter or secure discount whenever a new session starts. Okay? You have also Kairos or always on target cloud, right? Or always on agent, excuse me. A deep hidden feature flag Kairos reveal an always-on architecture designed to run a background agent that logs work and performs quote-unquote dreaming to consolidate memory, right? So all you gotta do is just write an example, monitor ranking drops, right? And you could just visualize the memory layers. Primary route, monitor ranking drops, L2 or stable entities, monitor ranking drops, L3 raw rates, monitor ranking drops, right? So, there is a lot of features. There's a lot of also hidden thinking capabilities like Ultralian plan or Opus agent inside the code, right? If you upgraded Claude, essentially, so you can just go ahead and hit upgrade if you have the budget, right? Inside the code, a feature named Ultra Plan enables the CLI to offload complex high-level planning to the most powerful tool, Opus, in the cloud before starting a long task. You have also the coordinator mode. This allows one instance of Claude to act as a manager, controlling a multiple parallel quote-unquote worker AI agents to completely different parts of a project simultaneously, right? So you're gonna go ahead to projects and select a coordinator mode inside your project, right? So note many of these features, particularly these labeled leaked or unreleased, are based on 2026 pre-released information and may not be available in the public version immediately. So if you're in a region where this hasn't rolled out, then you gotta wait until the new release comes out. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.